All right, let's add a new screen with today's orders. Hard code a list of past orders. I can see no backend and append every order I make afterwards. And let's see how this happens. Now this is actually quite not too specific of a prompt, but I want to test both limits basically and see how I can do now that I don't have something very specific. If I knew exactly the design I wanted, then maybe I would go more specific. But for now, I think we can get away with it. Order one is a plain bagel toasted. Extra scallions, extra hot. And wait, this has quantity too. I want to. So if I add two plain bagels, that's in there. But on the third one, just the so no crust. Actually. I don't know how would you would make a bagel with no crust, but that's right. Okay. It takes the different one. Check out. Okay, looks good. And orders. Nice. And it's here, our order number 3. So looks good. Looks very good actually. Start to register. Okay. So now let's add the to stay or to go basically feature. So I want to be able to select if the customer is going to stay or wants to go. If they stay, sit on a table. So I want to know which table is linked to that order. Now this is a complex prompt. So again, I'm curious to see what is going to happen. But so far it's going great. We have an update here. We added an order type selection grid, and table number type to orders. Let's see it in action actually. Plain bagel and everything bagel with absolutely every single thing and the kitchen sink, please. Nice. Let's do the order. And I wonder what they will bring actually. So it's dine-in or takeout. If I dine in, oh, I see that table 3 is currently taken. So I sit on table 6 and add the 15% tip and I just pay now. Now if we go to our orders, we see table 6 and table 3. They're there. Now, when someone sits on a table and is there, eventually they will go, right? So we need to free that table. Right now, I think it will stay there forever. So that's not very good because we can only take up to 8 dining customers in a day. So it's great so far. But, and that's important, when someone dines in, they eventually leave and free up the table again. I don't have an option currently to free up the table. And let's see what will happen now. Okay, as order types, order, bagel item, menu items, past orders. It's already a really big app. I don't know how long it would actually take me if I started from scratch without any AI tools or code to build it. but it definitely would take more than 15 minutes that we've spent right now building it. So I hope you see now that I was not really exaggerating with the story I made that earlier. It's really a crazy tool. Only 500 lines long. HTML included, of course, which always blows up the the app, but still, cream cheese, called the cheese. Just cream. Dine-in, 20% tip, table 5. Okay, now, and let's go back to our orders. And now, as you can see, clear the table. And now it's completed. Nice. Of course, now we need to keep track of it in the actual store, but that's not our business right now. And actually, let me try something. I want a plain bagel, dine-in, 15% tip without selecting table. And as you can see, it will not allow me. So let's make one, no tip. Okay, and it still works good. And for now, I think this is good enough for the time being.